Okay, so we've got the Murphy base station, if we can actually get it in the frame without, of course, moving over here. The camera's changed its, I'll just do that so we get a bit more of it. CBH1500, as I said many times before, it's a Spirit 40F hand portable in a big box. I do have a Spirit 40F nearly behind me, but not enough to show you, but I've shown it many times before. Wonder where that is. See whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Not heard anybody on it. These suffer from humming, but I've dealt with the power supply as best as it's possible to deal with the power supply, and let's see what the hum is like. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Are you talking and I'm not receiving? Just talk to you on the walkie-talkie in case something's not right.
Yeah, well, I did reply to you. You've not heard me, I don't think.
No, I've not heard you.
Oh dear.
Right, try again.
Tango 21.
Yeah, just do a bit of a count. I need to set the delta tune.
Roger that. Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie. 54321 12345.
Well, that looks right. Off you go.
Roger that, and we're off.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio there's no tone control. There's also no extension speaker socket.
Roger that. I will tell you though that 2 cars parked at doggy daycare, and some people look like they're having a picnic in the middle of the field with some, I think they've got doggy obstacles.
Alright, well in that case we'll put that bit in the video.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you to the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger that. I will tell you though that 2 cars parked at doggy daycare, and some people look like they're having a picnic in the middle of the field with some, I think they've got doggy obstacles. Service station 134.9 and 142.9.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
That's even better. at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round the Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 20 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round the Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Murphy CBH1500 base station, which is one of those Spirit 40F walkie-talkies turned into a base station using the standard replacement mic. The radio doing 4 watts over.
Roger that. All received, no problems, nice and clear, no buzz.
A power supply work must have worked out then.
Good. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. We'll just mention that the low power on this radio when we get to it at the 5 mile point is only 100 milliwatts, 100 milliwatts over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, you know, low power hasn't been working at the 5 mile point of recent because it leaves me back on the trees, so I doubt it's going to work 100 milliwatts, not millivolts.
I'm probably telling you that so you override your squelch.
Yeah, we'll do what I normally do. If you disappear, I'll override it so I can hear the rest of you. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
So you got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Now the Vauxhall Corsa was parked here the other day. It's still parked here. Does that mean it's been abandoned?
Oh, the sacrificial car like the one at Grantham.
Roger that. Well, it's not got any police aware tape on it, so I think that was in the same place as the other day, so I think it might have been abandoned, you know, it might be stolen even.
Yeah, Roger, well, I'll tell you what, when we do it on the air test tomorrow, we'll call it in if it's still there.
Yeah, you should have the number plate on the video, so you'll be able to check any details if you want.
Roger, Dodger.
21 from Mr. Chippie, 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Murphy CBH1500. From around about 1982, 1983, doing a 4 watt output. I'm on a standard replacement mic, and hopefully there's no buzzing with the rebuilt power supply. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to pop it on low power, and low power is a preset at 100 milliwatts. We're probably going to disappear. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power. Low power, I had to override the squelch and you weren't there at all. Unreadable, over.
There you go, 1/10 of a watt didn't make the 5-mile trip. Not a surprise. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, Roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, does it?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 137.9 and 143.7.
Excellent. Well, that worked fine. Thank you very much.
Yep, Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. And don't forget you have a mission. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, 137.9 and 143.7.
Excellent. Well, that worked fine. Thank you very much.
Yep, Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. And don't forget you have a mission. Right, so a bit, squelch is a bit vicious, but we've already discussed that on the video. So you really have to get it on the threshold. As we discovered right at the beginning, he's trying to call me from outside the place and it's not coming through. And then had to just make sure that the delta tune was exactly peaking on him. So it's just another snag, isn't it? So there we go. We'll go over to our base station. Oh, I'll tell you what we'll just do. We'll see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900, but I'll just pop it on channel 20. We'll just look at the SWR. It's probably about 1.7. So, key up. In fact, it says it's 1-to-1. Well, it never is. There we go.
Tango 21, testing the Murphy CBH1500 on the supplied by the customer standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll just pop it on low power as a hum test. And there we are on low power, just in 100 milliwatts. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to full power. So, rebuild power supply, hope it doesn't hum